After turning 50, many men enter a phase that no one looks forward to, a time when most sigh silently, yet few dare to talk about it: the decline in sexual vitality. Gone are the nights of youthful vigor and strength like in their 20s. Now, what's left is a sense of worry and disappointment when the body no longer performs as it used to. Each time intimacy arises, a nagging question echoes in their minds. Can I satisfy her this time? This feeling of powerlessness doesn't just diminish performance, it also chips away at a man's self-confidence, affecting both his mental well-being and marital relationship. But hold on. Don't lose hope, and don't be quick to blame age. Let's look to China, where for centuries the ancient emperors discovered secrets to maintain peak male strength, regardless of age. They didn't rely on modern medicine or synthetic solutions. Instead, they turned to carefully selected natural herbs, refined over thousands of years. One of the most trusted treasures is goji berries, tiny red fruits packed with extraordinary power. Goji berries were once hailed as the elixir of life, helping emperors sustain their vigor within the royal court. So, does consuming goji berries daily truly amplify male strength tenfold, as the rumors suggest? In today's video, we will explore and uncover the real benefits of this incredible natural herb. Don't take your eyes off the screen. You might just find the secret you've been searching for. Let's get started. 1. Boosting testosterone levels. In traditional Chinese medicine, goji berries are considered a herbal remedy that does not worsen kidney yang deficiency. These small berries have a sweet taste, neutral properties, and are associated with the liver and kidney meridians, primarily serving to nourish the liver and kidneys and enhance vitality. From a modern medical perspective, goji berries are packed with valuable nutrients such as betaine, 8 to 10% amino acids, vitamin B1, B3, vitamin C, carotene, and riboflavin. Additionally, they are rich in essential oils and trace elements like phosphorus, calcium, iron, and zinc, which help provide vital nutrients to the body. A study conducted on mice revealed that goji berries can increase sperm count and motility, while also enhancing sexual instincts and boosting testosterone levels in the body. Today, some researchers even hypothesize that goji berries could be a potential natural alternative to erectile dysfunction medications like Viagra, due to their ability to naturally and safely support male sexual health. 2. Enhancing memory and protecting nerve cells. Goji berries not only boost physical health, but also provide excellent support for memory and cognitive function. Due to their rich content of vitamins and minerals, goji berries help sharpen the mind and enhance alertness. Specifically, the betaine compound found in goji berries is converted into choline when absorbed by the body, a vital nutrient that aids in memory enhancement and recovery. The neuroprotective effects of goji berries have been demonstrated in a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled clinical trial. In this study, participants consumed standardized L-barbarum, goji berry, juice at a dose of 120 milligrams per day, equivalent to at least 150 grams of fresh fruit for 30 days. The results showed that healthy older adults, aged 55 to 72, experienced significant improvements in short-term memory and concentration following the intervention. Moreover, some studies have indicated that the polysaccharides in L-barbarum have the potential to prevent apoptosis, cell death, of nerve cells. However, Further research is needed to better understand the specific mechanisms by which goji berries protect the nervous system. 3. Enhancing skin health. Goji berries are renowned for their high beta-carotene content, a precursor of vitamin A, known for its powerful antioxidant properties. Thanks to this, goji berries excel in protecting the skin from harmful external factors. Research has shown that goji berries can help shield the skin from the negative effects of UV radiation, reducing the formation of free radicals that cause skin aging. Additionally, the antioxidants found in goji berries help prevent common skin issues like dryness and hyperpigmentation, keeping the skin youthful, smooth, and radiant. 4. Enhancing eye health. In today's world, our eyes are constantly exposed to harmful factors such as environmental pollution, UV light, and prolonged stress, all of which lead to the production of free radicals that damage the eyes and impair vision. Goji berries are regarded as a natural remedy for eye protection and vision enhancement due to their high content of powerful antioxidants, particularly zeaxanthin. A study conducted in the United States demonstrated that the zeaxanthin found in goji berries helps protect the retina, prevents cellular damage to the eyes, and lowers the risk of diseases related to macular degeneration. As a result, regular consumption of goji berries is considered a natural, safe, and effective way to boost eye health. 5. Boosting the immune system. Goji berries are a rich source of vitamins A and C, both powerful antioxidants that help protect the body from the damaging effects of free radicals. Additionally, goji berries contain polysaccharides, a compound proven to enhance the activity of immune cells, making the immune system stronger and more resilient. Research indicates that the antioxidants in goji berries not only neutralize harmful free radicals, but also prevent cellular damage, reduce inflammation, and strengthen the body's defenses against chronic diseases such as cancer, cardiovascular disease, and diabetes. This makes goji berries a natural and effective choice for maintaining a robust immune system and overall better health. 6. Preventing cancer development. Goji berries are packed with a variety of antioxidants, including vitamin C, zeaxanthin, and carotenoids, powerful compounds that help reduce inflammation and eliminate harmful free radicals from the body. This antioxidant capacity contributes to cellular protection, preventing damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases, including cancer. A study published in the journal Drug Design revealed that goji berries have the ability to slow down and inhibit tumor growth. The antioxidants present in goji berries play a crucial role in decreasing the progression of cancer cells, while also supporting the body's natural defenses against serious health conditions. This makes goji berries an excellent choice for cancer prevention as part of a balanced, nutritious diet. 7. Preventing cardiovascular diseases. Goji berries are well known for their high content of polysaccharides, LBP, a valuable compound that supports heart health. Animal studies have shown that LBP in goji berries can help lower blood lipids, reducing levels of bad cholesterol, while also stabilizing blood sugar levels, thereby preventing metabolic disorders. Additionally, the polysaccharides found in goji berries help regulate blood pressure, stabilize blood circulation, and lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases such as hypertension and atherosclerosis. Including goji berries in your daily diet can be a natural and safe way to protect and maintain heart health effectively. 8. Detoxifying the liver. Goji berries are an excellent herb for supporting liver detoxification, thanks to their rich content of polysaccharides, including glucose, arabinose, galactose, mannose, xylose, rhamnose, and fucose. These compounds have been shown to have positive effects on liver damage, especially in cases of fatty liver disease and alcohol-induced liver injury. Additionally, the betaine found in goji berries helps protect the liver from damage caused by carbon tetrachloride, CCl4, a toxic substance known to harm the liver. Betaine enhances antioxidant activity, reduces inflammation, and limits the production of inflammatory mediators like inos and COX-1, COX-2. As a result, goji berries serve as a natural remedy for liver protection, improving liver function, and effectively aiding in the detoxification process. Precautions when using goji berries. While goji berries offer numerous health benefits, it is important to exercise caution when consuming them. These berries contain potent active compounds, so excessive consumption should be avoided. Overuse of goji berries may lead to symptoms such as headaches, nausea, difficulty breathing, dizziness, and even weight loss. These side effects can be particularly severe for individuals with a history of liver or kidney issues. Additionally, people with high blood pressure should be cautious and avoid consuming goji berries, as they may interact with certain medications and increase the risk of complications. How to use goji berries effectively. If you want to incorporate goji berries into your daily diet, there are several safe and effective ways to do so. Mix with cereal or yogurt. Adding goji berries to your breakfast can enhance its nutritional value. Drink goji berry juice. Enjoy the benefits of goji berries simply by drinking their juice. Brew goji berry tea. Goji berry tea is a nourishing beverage that can help boost your overall health. Additionally, goji berries are often praised by nutrition experts as an excellent seasoning for various dishes. Their mildly sweet and fragrant taste pairs well with lean meats such as pork or chicken. For instance, when preparing herbal chicken soup, the natural sweetness of goji berries enhances the flavor, making the dish even more delicious and nutritious. We've just explored the incredible benefits of goji berries, a natural gift that can enhance your overall health. But the journey to better health doesn't end here. There are many more secrets and wonderful herbs that we will bring to you in the upcoming videos. So, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to never miss any valuable content. And don't forget to share this video if you found it helpful for your health and the health of your loved ones. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.